What did our president say during the inauguration? Sabi niya, Commission on Human Rights, Congress, you do your job, I do mine. Di naman niya sinabi na wag mag-imbestiga ang Commission on Human Rights. Sinasabi niya, pag nag-imbestiga kayo, tama na muna media, ilabas niyo kung may conclusion na kayo. And dami-daming violation nung eleksyon Ang tinignan yung kwento ni Presidente, di ba? Nagkaroon pa sila ng ruling. Samantalang napakaklaro, he was telling a story 20 years ago. They could have come out with a decision that the mayor, we do not agree of how he said it, but this is an incident 20 years ago. So if I tell you a story now that was 20 years ago, and I'm just telling you, sasabihin ngayon ng Commission on Human Rights, I'm politically incorrect at mali ako, etc. Ganyan. They did not need to investigate. They just had to look at the President's answer. He was mayor at that time. The same thing that's happening now. We are making conclusions because it is an emotional issue. I do not know the facts about the death of the professor in Ateneo. I hope to God, I pray to God, and if I can do anything to catch the killer, count me in. I am also an Atenean. I heard that there is an element of robbery. Kung rob out yan, kung extrajudicial killing yan, by all means. Pero the way it is being blended and weaved by the media and by some human rights group is as if eto'y utos ng Pangulo at eto'y gusto ng Pangulo.